Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix not eligible for TikTok account. So basically what this problem is like if you're trying to make a TikTok account with an age below 13, so if you try to open a TikTok account and you're below 13, then like basically your TikTok account is not going to be created, because for creating TikTok account you need to be above 13. That's the basic requirement. You need to be at least above 13, but in some countries you need to be above 16, but for most countries if you're above 13 then you're set to go. So yeah, that's basically what this problem is. So when you're creating a TikTok account, try to put an age which makes you above 13, okay? Then it will work. And the other thing is that even if you put the age above 13, sometimes you get this problem. So the way to fix it is you can click on this three dot over here. Now before I show you the step, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, it helps our channel to grow. And watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. So yeah, moving on forward. From here, scroll down below and click on where it says free up space, click on it, and click on where it says cache, click on clear. So this is basically going to clear all the cache stored on your TikTok. And after this, it should fix your problem. And if it still doesn't fix your problem, then just close TikTok like this. And basically after you close TikTok, hold on TikTok icon and click on app info. Once you're over here, you can click on storage usage. And on storage usage, click on clear data and click on clear. This is basically going to clear all the cache and data stored by TikTok on your phone and make TikTok fresh. So it's gonna fix all the corrupted file if there was any corrupted file, because sometimes the apps file might get corrupted over time. So do this time and again, like in 2 months, do it once. And yeah, after doing this, basically open TikTok again and your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, the last option is to delete TikTok and reinstall it again, and that should fix it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix this not eligible for TikTok account problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video and what type of video we should make next as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day.